Hello everyone, and today we are going to be learning how to say "How are you?" in Russian. So how are you, or more literally, how are things, is "Как дела?" "Как дела?" as when you want to ask someone how are things. Next we have a more informal way of saying this, which is "Как тебя?" "Как тебя?" which just means how are you. This is more specifically asking someone how they are as opposed to how things are. We have other ways of saying how are you. First one is как вы. Как вы is used when you're speaking to someone who is of higher standing than you, or that you don't know very well, or that you've just met, and you want to use a more respectful way of saying how are you. Как ты is more of an informal way of just saying how are you. How are you? You'd use it with like a friend or a family member. Moving on, phrases similar to how are you. First one, what's up? Что ты делаешь? Что ты делаешь? Which literally just means what you doing? What you doing? What's up? Next we have, what are you up to? Что ты задумал? Что ты задумал? Which just means, literally it just translates again to what you doing. Next, how do you feel? This is a bit of a longer word. Чувствует. Чувствуете. This word changes depending on whether you use вы or ты. So вы here is more formal. You can use ты, in which case чувствуете would change to чувствуешь. So altogether, как вы себя чувствуете, which means how do you feel. Next we have how is life. This one is a lot easier. Just как жизнь. Как жизнь. Как жизнь. How's life? Next we have another one. How's work? Как работа. Как работа. How is work? Next we have, how do I respond to how are you in Russian? So if someone asks you как дела, or как тебя, как вы, как ты, как работа, how do you respond? So here's some things that you can say to respond to how are you. Not bad, thanks. Спасибо, неплохо. Спасибо, неплохо. Means not bad, thanks. Next we have good, thank you. Хорошо, спасибо. Хорошо, спасибо. Which just means good, thank you, or okay, thank you. Or even well, thank you. Next we have, I am doing bad. This is what you would say if things aren't going so well. Я делаю плохо. Я делаю плохо. Which literally translates to I doing bad. Which sounds a little different when you translate it directly. But it just means I'm doing bad. That's about everything. That's some basic ways you can respond to how are you and how to say how are you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.